Hello, I'm Dr. Herman, and welcome to another amazing video. I want to share with you about recovery that's going on for this wonderful woman next to me. This is Sonia Lugo. She lives here in South Florida, and we've probably had about 6, 7, 8, somewhere around there,
Yes.
number of visits and treatments in the office. And she's come in with just some exciting, amazing, incredibly amazing information. So, Sonia, you've had... First, we'll start out with, you had a stroke how many years ago?
15.
15 years ago. And after the stroke, you've shared the amount of, what'd you call it, spasticity, right?
Spasticity, yes.
And that was on the left side, the arm and the leg?
Yes.
And it was so bad, you can tell, or should I animate for you, or can you tell?
Yeah, I can say. Oh, it was really bad. I couldn't move. I just wanted to stay in bed
And
because I felt like I was Mongolic.
it was so bad that where the arm was up at your chest, above your chest?
Yes, I had to have surgery so they could lengthen my tendons and my arm could come down, but it still came up.
It never went down, it never relaxed
No,
at
it
your side?
never relaxed.
And
no.
now we can see it at your side.
Yes.
There's no more spasticity in the arm.
No more. That's. I got my life back.
Yeah. And the left leg as well, you had the leg was spastic?
Really bad. I couldn't walk. I was in a wheelchair.
And the foot as well?
Yes, the foot was really bad.
The foot was curled in.
Yes.
It was like curled in like this, the left
Yeah,
foot.
my
And
toes.
now
I walk on my nails and it hurts.
and now?
Now it's wonderful. I can even dance.
That's excellent.
I'm so happy. Dr. Lonnie has done such a good job for me. He has helped me so much.
You said that you thank you so much. And you said that you were in bed for 15 years. You'd barely ever come out of bed.
No, because I used to feel embarrassed. People looking at me like, because I really look bad. I was weighing 70 pounds. And look now.
And you had also the headaches you said were daily headaches, day and night headaches for
Yes,
for 5 years, you said?
5 years.
And it was all right in the front of the head here, right?
Right here, it bothered me, made my heart weak, and
And now?
it's fine.
Fine. You have no headaches.
No, everything's fine.
Everything is fine. There was also constipation,
Yes,
and that was terrible. And now?
it's wonderful.
No more?
Look at my stomach. I don't even have a stomach. I'm like if I was 20 years old.
Really? That's awesome. So it's like time is reversed. This is great. And and the other is when we see all this, giddiness and laughter with you, one of your other main concerns when you came to me was terrible, just emotional stress, if I can use the word.
Yes, I had so much stress and depression, anxiety. They sent me to the psychiatrist every time I went to see a doctor, but I didn't want to continue taking more pills because they weren't doing anything for me, so why should I take them?
Right. And now
Then when I came here, no more anxiety, no more depression. When I walk in a place, it's like a sunlight walks in because everybody says, oh, how nice you look, and look at you and your smile. And
Awesome.
everybody.
So happy for you.
Yes, I thank
This is
you.
incredible. We still have more work to do. I want to see more improvement for you. I'm gonna mention when people watch a video like this, they sometimes feel, how could that really be possible? Because I've been to some of the best neurologists, I've been to best hospitals, I've been to some of the best practitioners, and the best doctor in the hospital and the best around town, and been to different states. You've been around to different doctors. You've been to many.
Everywhere. The Jackson, there was supposed to be 2 of the best doctors for spasticity, and the only thing they gave me was botox, and then everybody was trying to learn how to put botox on arm and a leg, and around 16 people came that they were going to be doctors, and everybody was pinching me, and some of them pinched me bad because it hurt. And then I went to another lady doctor that she was supposed to do a different procedure, and she did alcohol. And when she put that alcohol, I almost passed out. My daughter had to hold me because I fell.
Mm.
You know, she caught me, but that was so painful, and I said I will never go. And then I checked in the computer, and no cure for spasticity, nowhere, no.
It
I
can happen,
tried.
they say.
I checked everywhere in the world, I think, even in Germany, and nobody had a cure for spasticity.
Well, I won't say that we've cured it. I'm going to say that we found out why it happened and we took away the causes of it, and we're helping to reverse that neurological stress, and you're functioning so much better now. You can walk without a cane.
Yes.
It's not a perfect walking yet, but it's so much better than what it was.
Oh yeah, at least I look a little more alive, and I feel much better when I walk, 'cause I didn't like the way I looked before.
So it's real, and
I didn't want to live. I didn't want to eat. I didn't want to do anything. But now, I want to live. I want to do. I want to say. I want to laugh. I want to
Awesome.
just live my life.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing the story.
You're welcome. Thank you, Dr. Lani,
Yes.
for you helping me
Excellent.
so much.
Excellent. Thank you. And hopefully that we can help you as well. These are real stories that I share. Our phone number here at the office is 954-370-3100. And really, these are just, there's an amazing reality that there is work that can be done. Yes.
You know, if anybody out there gets a stroke, the best thing they can do is, after they, come out of the hospital, call Dr. Lani and come here. 'Cause I had 2 strokes, and I know it's the worst, and you can really suffer. But when you come to Dr. Lani, he could help you with his knowledge and the things that he does, and you're gonna be a different person, because having a stroke, it leaves you like handicapped, and you just, I've seen a lot of people in the street, and I wish I could stop and tell them, if you could go to Dr. Lani, he could help you. But, I don't want to tell all the strangers, but I hope a lot of people see this and listen to my words, because he is going to help, and you're going to be so much happy. Thank
Excellent.
you.
Thank you, Sonia.
Thank you.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you.